All right, let me explain something to y'all before this video starts. Give me 10 seconds. When you play paint defense on me because you know I can't shoot, I'm going to get mad and I'm going to abuse your fucking geeky ass. You a nerd. Stop playing defense like that. That's not real life. That's not real basketball. Stop playing defense like that. You nerds. Ronnie 2K, give us defensive 3 seconds. You gave us a good game this year. These dribble fucking nerds can't do what they want to do and they mad. We got defense. We can play these niggas how we want to play them. But now they want to play this paint defense because we can't shoot. It don't really matter that much because we can still score on their ass, but we need them to stop doing it. Throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it.
I've been through it. Hey.
Told you! I told you! Get on the floor, little nigga! Help him up! Bitch! Nigga!
Said when I joined the party earlier, he said
what?
You tried to throw that.
Yeah? Now I'm ripping. Let's go, bitch! Come here! It was sincere. Catch one, nigga!
Get ready to run.
14-14. We go. Check your time. Hey, outside. Hey, swing it. 12 to 15.
Alright, y'all boys. What up, though? It's me, Young Froggy, the God, aka the NBA 2K Barber. Alright, look, so a lot of people have been asking me what build I got. Here it is, a 2A slasher. I am 99 because I was on the grind. Alright, now look, check it. Now look, I'm gonna show y'all a little update on my build because I didn't upgraded a whole bunch of new stuff, bro. I didn't learn a lot more about the game, and let's get right into it. All right, so first we're gonna check out my attributes. Here we go. Now, 94 dunk, 88, 68. I'm not shooting. I can't shoot at all. We don't worry about shooting. We don't care about shooting because we got 85 pass. We dropping dimes, and they not getting on the threes. My teammates, it's not getting on threes. I'm gonna show you another reason why they can be hitting. 95 ball handler. Now I put 95 ball handler because I wanted to break ankles. I haven't broke one ankle, so I took ankle breaker off. Blah 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 blah. We get into that later on in the video. But speed with ball, as they say, you don't really need it, right? So I didn't put it high. I put it low as I can to have my 95 ball handle and get my attributes elsewhere. So we got my interior defense maxed out. We got my perimeter defense 97, steal 99. That's bread and butter. This right here, steal, and this defense right here, bread and butter. That's all you really need, and you're gonna be all right. Really, you can just go with this steal and bring this down a little bit if you don't want to have all this defense. But if you want to make this two-way slasher like how I got it, you're gonna need all this defense because that's what we do. Play defense on you dribble guys. We don't like y'all, bro. Y'all think y'all the shit, and I don't like that. So I'm coming here to shut all you motherfuckers down. All right, so look, block 66. I'm getting chase down blocks. I'm getting standing blocks. I'm getting them all. Y'all see them in the clips. But not, yeah. But look, all right, now offensive rebound and defensive rebound. You see me getting rebounds. I'm just continue watching. I'm gonna be uploading these highlights. I'm getting major rebounds over guards, over centers, over everybody. Offensive rebound, I don't know. I'm not getting no putbacks, so I don't know if this got to be higher or what. Speed 83. I'm moving up and down this court. Acceleration 92. I'm speed boosting past you whenever I feel like. I don't play like that, but I like to dribble and break your ankles. But I will speed boost here and there. But you know them players are speed boost, step back, speed boost, step back. I hate that. That's corny. And then after the speed boost, step back, they're gonna hit a three, or they're gonna go do a quick drop off to corny. You're corny. Okay, look. Strength 47, vertical 85. We need that. I'm jumping out the gym. I'm getting chased down blocks. I'm grabbing rebounds. Why? Look at my vertical 87, 85. We in there. All right. Stamina 90, 96. So with some Gatorade, we looking good over here. We ain't getting tired. With some dunk boosts, we 88, right? You get +4, so I mean 98. I wish I would have put it 95, so I could have been 99 with that boost, but it's all right. We dunking over anybody. It don't really matter. It don't matter at all. Now, let's get into these badges. Now, these badges right here are very important. Very, very, very important. Okay, now, I just got Slithery on cord, right? I got Posterizer cord too, but Posterizer is a badge of its own this year. You don't need it to get Posterizers. You don't need it at all. But once you put it on, you're gonna get different types of Posterizer, different types of dunk animation. That's what a lot of people not explaining to y'all about this badge. Once you put this badge on, your player is gonna do different dunks. So if you wanna do quick drops off of one off all day long, don't put this on because he's not gonna do that. He's gonna be doing cockbacks. I don't know why, but that's just what he's gonna, bro. He gonna jump off two when you ain't got them dunks on, but he gonna jump off two for sure when you put this on. Okay. So now, accurate bat. Y'all ain't been seeing me do too many accurate bat layups, but I finish in contact. Finisher. Giant Slayer. I'm catching every oop. Limitless. I'm taking off from the free throw line. Slithery. I'm getting by you. Easy. Sliding right by you. We ain't shooting, remember. We don't need to do that. I'm breaking niggas down. Wop. I'm gone. Bang. On you every time. Now, this is where it get good at, y'all boys. Cause look, I got handles for days. Core. Killer combos, I used to use it, but we don't use that no more. Mismatch expert, I used to use it, but we don't use that no more. Plant breaker, I got it. Core. Bailout, gold. Bronze is cool. Silver is an improvement. Gold is you dropping dimes. Woo, I'm talking about bullets, steamers. Okay, quick first step. We all know we need that. Take it off on it. Unpluckable gold. I'm telling you, bro. When I put Unpluckable on Hall of Fame, I feel like I get ripped more. It's something about these badges, bro. They don't be working correctly. I'm telling y'all. I'm telling you. Look, special delivery. That's why I throw my teammates who throw flashy passes. Dimer. When I put Dimer on Hall of Fame, my niggas was breaking. I'm talking about they was breaking. I'm like, what is going on, bro? My Dimer Hall of Fame way of breaking. So I put it on go, and it seemed fine. That's just me. I don't know, bro. It could be my game. I don't know what's going on, but it just ain't working. Some of these badges don't work on Hall of Fame. I will put on ankle breaker once I get my mama badge and I can get my ankle breaker takeover. So here we go. This is bread and butter. This is where the build get good at right here, y'all boys. Can't get no better than this. Now, interceptor, Hall of Fame. At first, I didn't think it was working, but I was getting interceptions without it. You don't need this badge, okay? I'm letting y'all know you don't need it. But I didn't put it on, took it off, put it gold, put it silver. I didn't have it everywhere. And I'm finally noticing a difference. And I can tell I'm getting a little bit more better animations when I go for this interceptor. So, it's your choice. You don't need to waste your points on this. So, if you don't want to get this badge, this is my other way I had it. Look, and this way right here, look, this way right here, ha! This way right here, go, bam. Oh my God, look at that. Now, I'm telling you, I'm boxing out anybody. Center to the chicken dinner. It don't matter who you is, you getting boxed out. And I'm grabbing a rebound. I'm telling you, or my teammates can grab the rebound, but you getting put on the wall. Boom, you not moving. Post like down. He's gonna help me out with this chase down. Rebound, grabbing rebounds. pogo stick. I'm grabbing rebounds. All this is helping me grab rebounds and dunk and not dunk and snatch boards and all that, and chase down blocks, all that. Now you're not breaking my ankles. You're not stunning me, so you can hang it up. I'm a menace out here. Hall of Fame, workhorse, cord. I'm boy, glove, cord, clamps, almost cord on gold. But yeah, these are very important. Look at that. We in there. All right, moving on. Takeover. We're using double finishing moves, and your boy just got that juice perk. Right now, I got my 400 points today. I got them all today because last week or so, I had like 300 something. Damn quest went away. So I'm like, okay, well, fuck. I hope I got my points when they come back. They came back today. I had 0 points. So, no. So now I done knocked it out in one day. I got all my, we here now. So now I'm finna go play a game and see. I want to see what my takeover meter, not takeover. I want to see how my dunk meter looking with this perk. I really want to see. If I get a big green window with this perk, I'm letting y'all know it's curtains for y'all. Because y'all see me dunking all day long, whenever I want, however I want. Posterizers and all, with no dunk meter. Because the dunk meter, I can't really time it that good, bro. I be missing, and I don't like to miss my dunks. So, if this is gonna extend that window and make it, oh my god. Okay, we gonna find out. We gonna find out. Alright, well, what else we need to see to the build? Ain't got no boost. Dunks. Animations. Let's go. I'm gonna take y'all through the whole build this time, y'all boys. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This is what y'all came to see. Zach LaVine layup. Dunks. Frog. Alright, dribble style. Boom, 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 boom. Tearing it up. You know what? I don't know what crossover everybody be using, but I know it's on LeBron's. But I like LeBron's because to me, LeBron crossover is more like an Iverson crossover. I don't know why he got that animation in his package, but it is, bro. And y'all like, let's look at it real quick. Let's look at it real quick. Watch. Hold on. Watch him. Hold on. Hit it for me. Hold on. That ain't it. Hit it. Hold on. What the fuck is that? Ain't tripping. They ain't showing it, but I be doing it all the time, and it's to me it's a good wait. Hold on, let's see what. Hold on, let's see. Hold on, bro. That one look nice. That one look real nice. We gonna switch it to that one. Hold on. All right, so look. Yeah. That's what we gonna do. We'll switch to that one. I might get a couple ankles with that one. Okay, so yeah, that's the moves right there. Now let's get to these dunks. Now, what I'm doing. All right, now back scratcher. I love it. Drops. That's my favorite dunk. D-Rose package. Okay? Reverse. You gonna need it. You gonna need it. Now, I'm telling y'all. Put all these dunks on. Nothing more, nothing less. Put these on. These are good starter dunks for y'all, boys. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I got a little flashy in here too, but just put all these on. You gonna be good. You know what I'm saying? Because that dunk meter, you put some of these dunks on, and it's gonna, the dunk meter gonna automatically trigger some of these weird ass dunks. And it's gonna be hard to time them, so put these on. Small, elite, pro. But again, a lot of people say they don't put these 2-foot dunks on, but bro, that's on y'all. Y'all like to be on that cheese, this cheese right here. Y'all want to do that gay at? Hold on, let me not say that. We can't say that word no more. Oh my god. Some bullshit, but y'all can say nigga all day. Y'all call us niggas all day, huh? Okay, so yeah. So this dunk right here, I don't use it, bro. It's dumb. It's not. People don't even do that in real life. Like the one, the one that y'all do. That. Nope. All right, so that's not a real dunk. So we reverse, clutch, reverse. Wait, you taking that off? I don't know how they got on, bro. I don't like that though. It's cool, but no, we just need the baselines. All right, tomahawks, straight on tomahawk. Hey, every time you gonna get posters with this dunk. You gonna catch bodies with this, with no dunk meter. I'm telling y'all, you're gonna catch some bodies. Now, small, elite, pro, signature dunks. Check this out. Don't put on none of these damn dunks. You know what I'm saying? None of them. All these dunks is gonna be for experiment later. Put on what I got on, and then start adding to it later. Get used to what you can do, and then add to it later. Cause then you can know. Once you put one thing on and he start doing something different, you gonna know. So put these dunks on that I got and then get used to it and add later. Now alley-oops, we going with Elite, Zion, Jordan, Flash, Pro, Elite. You know what I'm saying? We don't want pro alley-oops. I know. No, we don't want to do that. We want stuff like that. Alright. You know what I'm saying? And that's it. Save and exit. What else do we need to see? That's it, y'all boys. That's it for the build. I'll holler at y'all. Hey, hold on. Before y'all leave, if y'all didn't, hit that like button and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Because we grinding again, and we ain't gonna stop this time because I'm 99 and this game is the shit this year. So y'all boys get ready. It's gonna be a long year. We playing every season. I got new builds for y'all that I'm gonna show y'all. Matter of fact, I'm not finna exit out of here, but I was gonna show y'all something real quick, but nah, because when I exit out, sometimes my Xbox turns straight off. I don't know why I do that, but when I go to when I press to click on go to the part, my Xbox turn off every time. So I don't know, should be glitchy. So yeah, with that being said, I'll holler at y'all boys on the next video, and I'm gone.